Hey there, it's Bears from the Theme Park family and welcome to our construction update on the Lost River ride or whatever it's going to be. We're going to walk all the way around, we're going to film what's going on. There's quite a bit of activity and a lot of people working on it today, so we'll see what progress has been made. Yep.
Oh, Dad, look!
I like the station with the glass roof rather. The shop's open. Looks like the sign's getting ready to go up. I have to admit, I have no idea how long this is to open in. You look at some areas and it looks like finishing touches, and you go to other areas and it looks nowhere near done.